specific time. I don't know. I don't even know how long ago it was when we unboxed this thing, this drone. This is a nice drone. It was really my first experience of unboxing something for a video. And now, oh boy, we have something way more interesting than a $50 drone. Camera, focus, please. Hey. Camera. This is a phone. I've never unboxed a phone before. Never. This is the phone that I'm recording this with right now is a hand-me-down. This is going to be fun. So, the plastic has been peeled off, because they put the setup SIM card thingy, I think, in it. But, so I don't get to do that. But I still get to do the rest of it. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh, did it hear me? It heard me. That's reassuring. I guess it heard me. This has been wiped off. Because the employee who handled it was not necessarily the most responsible. Wait, it comes with... I didn't know it came with headphones. Aw, no headphone jack. That's a bummer. Oh, there's plastic on the back, though. I still get to do that. Yes. Wait, there is plastic on the front. I was lied to. I was told that it was taken off. Oh my god, it's so amazing. Alright, so I'm not that big on phones, so I don't know very much about this, but this is a nice phone. It's home to open. Okay, it's got all my info and stuff. I'll get that set up in a bit. I chose red because I like red, because I'm weird. Okay, what else is in this box? We have charging block. Does this have plastic thing peel off? I thought I felt a plastic. It does, does it? Is this supposed to come off? Yeah, whatever this is. And I'm sorry, my unboxing skills, again, as you've seen in my Lego fashion video, are terrible. This is headphones. These are not AirPods. These are just earpods with things wrapped up around here. And they got this thing, because no audio jack. Again, that's sad. I will need to look up the features of this phone. I will include them in the video somehow. Subtitles, description maybe, I don't know, something like that. This thing is turning on when it hears me, and that's kind of scary. I don't like that. And then charger, headphones, charger block, and then whatever information is in here, some stickers. That's kind of neat. What's this? Oh, this is the SIM card tool. Okay, and then more information. Blah blah blah. These cards are kind of boring. And is there anything else under the box? I know. Well, oh, that's not does that come out? No, this box does not come apart. Alright, I'm just gonna get everything aside, and I will look at these again one by one. Introducing the Mega Supercharger thing. I don't know what it's called. I don't know how fast it charges. That's not my job. My job is just to pretend to be excited. Well, not to pretend, to be excited about it. It must be sensing when I flip it over, because every time I pick it up, it turns on. That scares. It's scary. So, I think this one has a fake home button. I mean, it's better than no home button, but it's still a fake home button. I still can't do anything with it, because it's not set up yet. We'll get that done soon. Or, well, I will get someone to do it for me soon, and then, yeah. Alright, that's it for this. Maybe I'll do something. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't have a plan. I don't have a plan when I do these things. Subscribe.